rubbish.
Okada. Okada. Please take me to the main road. How much are you charging?
Madam, did you look well? This is motorcycle.
The time I call Okada, did I call motor?
Then you should stop tipper or you should stop pickup. That is what will carry somebody of your size, not Okada now.
Look, if you don't have something to say, you just go and look for one thing you will say. Please, if you want to carry me and tell me how much I will pay you. If you don't want to carry me, you just carry this Jaguar motorcycle. Come out here.
If my mother or my wife becomes as large and as quantum as you are, I will kill them on Christmas. Look at you. When they the children eat.
Because your Okada cannot give you money to feed them. You are jealous now because another person feeds you.
I don't want to. If I want them to be as you like you are, I will take them to vulcanize that they will pump them. But do you think we can climb this machine?
I won't be a Boroko like you. Neither I will be a radio cousin.
Madam, it is
all right?
slim feet. Slim
I won't sleep waiting.
Madam, I will not carry you. Is it a case?
It's a case.
Why will this be a case? I said I will not carry.
You to carry me to the main road.
How can I carry? Then I will carry Nama. I better carry Nama or a horse.
Don't worry, very soon you won't get food to eat because this Okada will continue disappointing you.
Then we'll come and begin to chop the one you have inside your stomach.
Who will give you?
Yeah, woman.
Me? Yeah.
Madam, go and find tipper.
I better come on this thing.
Go and find tipper.
I'll find tipper. You find the better Okada. Even the bicycle I fit you, sir.
Let me tell you, even if I stand on a bicycle, I will still be comfortable.
See you.
The tire will still remain
stable. I better come on. Don't punish you. I better come on.
Madam, I have given me the money where I take back the motorcycle. Let's take my
I will condemn the machine. Tell me make I buy you new Okada now. Come my office.
Madam, you don't have money. Unless you are going to donate some of your flesh.
Nonsense.
Stephen!
The price is 450. The price is 450.
The price is 450. The price is 450. The price is 450. The price is 450. Will you get up from there? Idiot!
Okay, welcome. Good morning, sir.
Look at this is what you do. Each time I leave the shop for you, you will just run away. If you don't know the way, you be down here sleeping. Sleeping in broad day light.
Okay, I'm sorry.
You are sorry for what? For sleeping. Oh, this boy, look at my shop. You have ruined this shop. You have brought this shop down. Haven't you? Yesterday you were sleeping. Day before yesterday you were sleeping. Last week you were sleeping. When will you stop sleeping and begin to walk? Stephen, you are a man or you are not a woman. You are not going to get married to another person. You will go and marry another person. Start thinking like a man now. You sleep from morning. God of Israel. Stephen, where is the showcase here? Huh?
Okay, yeah. That man at the junction, that carpenter, he came this morning and collected it, and he want to do something with it.
The carpenter at the junction collected it. He wanted to do something with it. Now tell me, what have you sold today? Tell me what you have sold today.
Okay, there is no market today.
Because I'm heating up now. You saw what?
I managed to sell only 3 items, okay? 1 packet of cigarette and 2 bottles of snap.
Let me see the money of what you sold today. What am I going to do about this boy?
Okay, it remains 300.
Remaining? So which means something has been taken from it.
Okay, you see, I ate in the morning, in the afternoon, and they drank pure water too. I drank pure water, okay?
So you want to eat me to the ground? You want to finish, you want to bankrupt me? In this shop?
No, sir.
You will never succeed. You will never succeed, I am saying it. Look at, throughout the whole day, look at what you are able to sell. Look at, for the whole day, look at it. Wait. You ate in the morning.
And in the afternoon.
You ate in the morning, you ate in the afternoon.
I have stomach problem.
Of course you will have stomach problem. And that is why my shop is falling. Because of this your stomach. Look at everything, look at my shop. Everything now is scattered. All the things that are there, I don't know how the whole thing went. And my shop is sinking and sinking and sinking. If you open that thing you call that a mouth, you call that gutter you call mouth. Now, I will put poison inside there.
Okay, I'm sorry.
You are sorry for what? For sleeping? Or for it is you're doing yourself. Do you understand me? You're doing yourself. When it is time to settle, you will open the ceiling and use it to settle yourself because you have finished everything. Look at what you do since morning. Who knows how many people have come in here to take something? You took this to the carpenter. Stephen, come. What is this? Who brought this thing here?
Okay, maybe he later brought it. I wasn't aware. He later brought it back.
He later brought it back. Now bring that showcase in and then come and prepare. You are taking me somewhere. Food bin. Others are dust bin. You are food bin. Prepare. Why are you stalling? Go stay in front now. Or you don't like to your place again? Agweji Ofa. Agweji. Agweji Ofa.
Oh yeah.
I think
My house, everything.
Stephen,
Have a good man.
What brought you to my house this morning?
my leg and your son.
What happened?
I brought him back. Is he not your son?
Why?
I have had enough of him. This boy eats my cost price, eats my gain, eats everything. In fact, every day that he's in the shop, I run deficit. Let him stay in his father's house.
Please, Satenga, take it easy. Eh? This is not something we should stand out here to discuss. Let's have seat.
Papa, let me tell you the truth. I didn't eat his money. He's just lying against me that way. I didn't eat his
You are
money.
bringing your tongue small. Why did I say you ate my money? You used my money to buy the junk you ate. This boy eats roasted corn, fried corn, the one they cook, even raw corn. He buys everything. He buys chop 1, chop 2. He buys plantain chip. Each time he change, then he will go and then settle the whole thing with this big boat. Make me well.
Atenga,
Look at him.
Stop insulting my son before me.
Oh, this is a case of like father, like son, eh?
Eh?
Let me tell you, by the time I go and come back, I am going to make sure that this boy refund me or you. If not, this your finished building, I will sell it and take the money. Do we bet?
Atinga, you are a stupid man. If this is your dream not to settle my son after serving you for 3 good years, you will not succeed. Bet me.
Did you say settle?
You will not succeed.
The boy has already started settling himself from the very first day. If I make account of what this boy has eaten, you will find out that you can get my plans.
Your plans has failed. You must settle him.
Oh, okay, Jeff.
You must settle him.
I'm not afraid of your head, though. Still, you have a luxurious head doesn't mean that I can't stand it. Let me tell you. You and your son. Let me tell you, by the time I come back, it's either this boy is dead or you're in prison.
Nobody is going to die. Whether you like it or not, you must settle him.
Settle who? Settle who?
You must settle him.
Settle you. You, Stephen.
Go and get ready and settle him.
Your boy he didn't have these things. Look at the beard. Now, when he entered my shop, under 1 week, look at the beards all over him. When I come back, don't give me my money.
No, come back. Come back.
Look at even my leg. Look at when I was chasing this rat because he ate my money.
My son is a rat. I think my son is a rat.
It's less than a rat, my friend.
You are.
By the time I come, you will see me.
Where are you going? Onyoshi, rogue, piano. Come on,
I have told you, your luxurious head doesn't afraid.
Go and see the plan. Go back and see them. Go in. Don't mind him. He will settle you whether you like it or not. I think I come back.
Don't worry.
Onyoshi, where are you going?